The 5 most common causes of migraine headaches. Migraines can be extremely painful and make you feel nauseous and sensitive to light. If you suffer with these on a regular basis, then you have an underlying problem which is causing the throbbing pain in your head. In today's video, we will explore the 5 common causes of migraines and share some simple solutions. Number 1. Low sodium. People who suffer with migraines often have a genetic mutation in their cells, which causes a problem with the sodium-potassium balance. This can cause excited nerves in the brain, triggering painful migraine headaches, and you may see flashing lights and shapes. Solution: consume more pink Himalayan salt on a daily basis. Add 1/8 of a teaspoon to a glass of water and drink this a few times per day to raise your sodium levels. Alternatively, you can juice 5 sticks of celery and drink this daily to raise your sodium. Number 2. Gallbladder irritation. The second most common cause of migraines is irritation in the gallbladder. This comes from eating too many grains and refined foods. There is a nerve pathway called the phrenic nerve, which refers pain from the gallbladder to the head, leading to painful headaches. Solution: clean up the diet using intermittent fasting and take an ox bile supplement before each meal. Ox bile supports your gallbladder in breaking down fatty foods and can reduce inflammation in the bile ducts. Number 3. Menstrual cycle. If you're a woman and suffer with migraines during your cycle, then you may have too much estrogen in the body. This hormonal imbalance depletes your vitamin C, magnesium and sodium. Solution: take a daily supplement of DIM to help balance estrogen levels. Consume more salt during your period to help restore any lost sodium. Also eat 5 almonds per day and 1 whole bell pepper to load up on magnesium and vitamin C. Number 4. Sinus congestion. Many people have sinus congestion, such as a buildup of mucus and pressure around the nose, eyes and head. This is caused by a viral or fungal infection and can lead to pressure that triggers an intense headache or migraine attack. Solution: consume garlic oil and oregano oil on a daily basis. You can take these in small pill capsules. This helps to fight off any fungal infections in the sinus passages. You should also take a daily supplement of chelated zinc and vitamin D3 to fight our viral infections of the sinus called rhinovirus. You can also use a neti pot to rinse the sinuses. Number 5. Caffeine. Last but not least, caffeine is actually one of the most common causes of migraine attacks. Consuming too much coffee, tea, soda drinks and painkillers can overload your body with caffeine. Caffeine makes the blood vessels narrower, leaving less room for blood flow in the brain by up to 27%. Solution: cut caffeine out of the diet and switch to decaffeinated drinks. You will experience withdrawal symptoms, however, after 2 weeks you may notice less frequent headaches or migraine attacks. Many people worry about having a brain tumor. However, this is extremely rare, and one of the most uncommon causes of migraine or headaches. Some other uncommon causes of migraines include a pinched nerve in the neck, pain from an old head injury, a food allergy, pollen allergy, stress or low blood sugars. As you can see, migraines are caused by underlying issues which can be fixed, healed and dealt with using natural remedies and techniques. We also recommend taking magnesium citrate on a daily basis. This helps a great deal with problems related to the muscles and also is effective at reducing anxiety and stress. To learn more about nutrition and natural remedies, please select one of our videos at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.